At the center of our galaxy, something impossible is waiting. Not a planet, not a star, not even a supernova. A monster, invisible, silent, and so powerful, it controls the motion of hundreds of billions of stars, including ours, every single second of every single day. Sagittarius A star devours matter with gravity so extreme that even light cannot escape. And yet, for most of human history, we never knew it existed. Because the greatest monster in the Milky Way has always hidden in perfect darkness. But now, after decades of discovery, humanity has finally seen the unseeable. We have photographed the edge of a supermassive black hole. We have watched real stars race at millions of kilometers per hour, around something completely invisible. And what scientists discovered is more extraordinary than anyone imagined. Tonight, you and I travel 26,000 light-years into the heart of the Milky Way to confront the monster at the center of everything we know. If you've ever looked at the night sky and wondered what lies at the very heart of it all, this documentary is for you. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a journey like this one. The Milky Way is enormous, a spiral galaxy stretching more than 100,000 light-years across, home to somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. Our Sun is just one of them, a quiet, unremarkable star drifting through the outer spiral arms, far from the violent, turbulent center. For centuries, humans mapped the stars without understanding where we stood inside them. But as telescopes grew more powerful, a mystery slowly emerged. The stars near the galactic center were moving far too fast. Something hidden at the core of the Milky Way was pulling on them, something unimaginably massive, yet completely invisible. Astronomers considered every alternative: dense clusters of dead stars, exotic matter, ancient stellar debris packed beyond imagination. But every alternative collapsed under the weight of the evidence. Only one explanation remained: a supermassive black hole, not the kind born from a single dying star, something far, far larger, millions of times more massive than our Sun, compressed into a region of space smaller than our entire solar system. Sitting, quietly, directly at the center of our galaxy. Its name, Sagittarius A star. The name comes from the constellation Sagittarius, the direction we face when we look toward the galactic center. But Sagittarius A star cannot be seen with ordinary light. Between Earth and the galactic core lie enormous dust clouds, ionized gas, and magnetic turbulence so dense that visible light simply cannot penetrate it. The greatest monster in the Milky Way hides behind a cosmic veil, so astronomers turned to radio waves, infrared telescopes, and eventually some of the most extraordinary instruments ever built by human hands. What they found changed astronomy forever. You cannot see a black hole directly because black holes emit no light, but gravity leaves fingerprints, and Sagittarius A star left fingerprints everywhere. In the 1990s, two independent teams of astronomers began carefully tracking the stars closest to the galactic center. Night after night, year after year, decade after decade, they watched these stars move in graceful and terrifying arcs around nothing. One star became especially important, a star called S2. Imagine a real burning star, a genuine sun with its own light, its own heat, its own gravity, completing an entire orbit every 16 years. At its closest approach to the invisible center, S2 reaches over 25 million kilometers per hour. That is nearly 3% of the speed of light. Only something unimaginably massive could accelerate a star to those speeds. By calculating S2's orbit with precision, astronomers determined the mass hiding at the galactic center. Approximately 4 million suns, packed into a region of space, smaller than the distance from Earth to Pluto. At that point, the evidence became overwhelming. Sagittarius A star was almost certainly a supermassive black hole. And in 2020, physicists Andrea Ghez and Reinhard Genzel were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for proving it. But that achievement only opened a deeper question. How does something like this even come to exist? Ordinary black holes are born when massive stars die. A giant star exhausts its nuclear fuel. Gravity crushes the core inward. The star collapses, and a black hole is born. But Sagittarius A star is in a completely different category. It is a supermassive black hole, and scientists still do not fully agree on how such monsters come to exist. One leading theory suggests slow, patient accumulation over billions of years. A smaller black hole forms and begins feeding, devouring gas clouds, dust, passing stars, and eventually other black holes themselves. Over cosmic timescales, it becomes something incomprehensibly large. But there is a problem with this picture. We have discovered supermassive black holes in the early universe, existing less than 1 billion years after the Big Bang. That may simply not be enough time. So some scientists propose a far more dramatic origin. Perhaps enormous primordial gas clouds collapsed directly into black holes in the universe's earliest moments, bypassing the ordinary stellar route entirely. Relics from the first seconds of time itself, acting as seeds, growing by absorption over billions of years into the monsters we observe today. And then there is the idea that changes the entire picture. What if galaxies didn't form first, with black holes growing inside them later? What if it was the other way around? What if Sagittarius A star was here first? If that is true, our black hole may not simply reside inside the Milky Way. It may have built it. In just a moment, we are going to cross the event horizon itself. Not in theory, not in metaphor. We are going to walk through the real physics of what would actually happen if you fell into Sagittarius A star. What happens to your body? What happens to time? What happens to the universe you leave behind? And the answer is one of the most genuinely unsettling discoveries in the history of physics. A black hole is not a hole in space. It is a region where gravity has become so extreme that space-time itself collapses inward. At the very center lies what physicists call the singularity, a point where density may become infinite, where everything we know about the laws of physics simply breaks down. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which escape is forever impossible. Not even light can leave. That is why black holes appear black. They are not empty. They are not hollow. They are the most full things in the universe, and they show you nothing. Now, imagine you are falling towards Sagittarius A star. If you approached a stellar black hole, the small kind, born from a single star, tidal forces would destroy you almost immediately. Your feet would experience stronger gravity than your head. The difference would stretch you, atom from atom, in a process physicists call spaghettification. You would not feel pain, because you would cease to exist as anything recognizable, long before your brain could register a signal. But Sagittarius A star is different. It is so enormously massive that the event horizon is comparatively gentle, spread across a region of space far larger than the death zone of a stellar black hole. As you cross the threshold, there is no wall, no surface, no warning, just silence. The stars outside still shine, the universe still exists. You are simply inside now, and there is no return. From your perspective, time continues normally, but to an observer watching from a safe distance outside, you would appear frozen near the event horizon, forever. Your image slowly fading, dimming, shifting to longer and longer wavelengths of light, until you vanish into the darkness. Not dead, just unreachable. This is not science fiction, this is Einstein's general relativity, confirmed by experiment, confirmed by observation. Near the mass of Sagittarius A star, time slows, space bends, reality distorts. There is a universe beyond that event horizon, and we will never know what it holds. For decades, Sagittarius A star remained hidden, impossible to photograph, impossible to image directly, because black holes emit no light, and this one sat 26,000 light-years away, behind an impenetrable veil of cosmic gas and dust. Capturing it would require a telescope the size of Earth itself, so humanity built one, not physically, mathematically. The Event Horizon Telescope connected radio observatories across the entire planet, using atomic clocks and a technique called interferometry, essentially turning our entire world into a single coordinated listening device. Every dish, every receiver, synchronized to within a fraction of a nanosecond. Earth used as a lens. In 2019, this extraordinary instrument delivered the first image in history of a black hole, Messier 87 star, 55 million light-years away. Then, in 2022, we finally saw ours, a glowing ring of superheated matter surrounding a region of pure darkness, the shadow of the event horizon itself. The image was blurry by ordinary standards, chaotic, flickering because Sagittarius A star changes rapidly. Gas near the black hole completes an orbit in just minutes. Imagine trying to photograph a coin spinning at 100,000 kilometers per second from the surface of the moon. And yet, we did it. For the first time in the entire history of our species, humanity looked directly at the edge of a supermassive black hole, the monster hidden at the center of our galaxy for billions of years. Finally, seen. But here is what the mainstream coverage never talks about. Sagittarius A star looks quiet today, almost calm. It is not. Evidence scientists have uncovered suggests that at some point in the not-so-distant past, our black hole woke up, and what it did to the galaxy around it left scars the size of tens of thousands of light-years. Today, Sagittarius A star feeds slowly, consuming small wisps of gas and dust that drift too close. But the evidence scattered across the sky tells a very different story. Towering structures called the Fermi bubbles extend tens of thousands of light-years above and below the Milky Way. Immense lobes of gamma-ray radiation, each one larger than dozens of galaxies placed end to end. Scientists believe these are scars, ancient eruption marks from a time when Sagittarius A star entered a period of violent, intense feeding, consuming enormous amounts of matter and blasting radiation outward across interstellar space. In other galaxies, supermassive black holes enter what are called quasar phases. During these periods, they become the brightest objects in the entire universe, outshining the galaxy surrounding them, launching jets of superheated plasma at nearly the speed of light. We are far enough from the galactic center to be safe from this today. But Sagittarius A star is a reminder. The calm we experience is a matter of distance, not safety. And the future holds something extraordinary. In approximately 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. Stars will scatter into new orbits. New suns will ignite from collapsing gas clouds. And at the center of this colossal merger, Sagittarius A star will meet Andromeda's own supermassive black hole. The two giants will orbit each other for millions of years, generating gravitational waves powerful enough to ripple across the entire universe. And eventually, they will merge, creating something larger than either, the anchor of a new galaxy, born from the most spectacular collision our corner of the universe has ever seen. Long after Earth is gone, long after our sun has faded, Sagittarius A star will still remain, changed, grown, still at the center of everything. There is something deeply profound about Sagittarius A star, something that goes beyond its size, beyond its violence, beyond its physics. It exists at all. At the center of our galaxy lies a place where time breaks, where light dies, where the laws of physics, the equations that describe everything we have ever tested, everything we have ever built, everything we have ever understood, simply stop working. Every civilization in human history, every empire, every person who has ever drawn breath on this planet, all of it, every single moment of human experience, existed safely on the outskirts of a galaxy dominated by an invisible monster, a monster we discovered only decades ago, one that has been there since before the Earth itself was born. And yet, Sagittarius A star may also hold the answers to quantum gravity, to the nature of space-time, to the structure of reality at its most fundamental level. The greatest mystery in the Milky Way may also become the greatest discovery humanity ever makes. Because somewhere beyond that event horizon, the laws of reality are waiting to be rewritten, and we have only just begun to look. If the universe feels different to you now, good. That feeling, that sense that reality is stranger and vaster than anything you were taught, that is what real science feels like. Our next documentary in this series takes you beyond the observable universe itself. to the edge of everything that exists, and to what might lie on the other side. Subscribe to Cosmo Cypher, and never miss a journey into the unknown. And if this documentary moved you, share it with someone who has ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, because the universe is not finished surprising us.